Good morning, good afternoon, good night to everyone who's watching, and welcome back to another video. So today, as you see, the theme is Fast and Furious. Yes, the video is a little it is not the first time that you would be seeing this on YouTube. There are many other channels which have been because this came quite late to India. And here you can see I've pulled out the previous set of the Fast and Furious and some of the doppelgangers from the main line which have been released in the current set. So you guys already know the set that I'm talking about is the Motor City Muscle. Now here are the three cars that are there in this set which were released previously as main lines. So we'll take a look at the ones that were not released previously, and then we'll move on to the newer ones. So this is the first one. So the Ford F-150 SVT Lightning. So this car, you guys already know, this was in the first movie of Fast and Furious, and this was driven by Brian when he was working with that tuning shop there, the Razor's Edge. So this is a pretty good car, nice casting. Let me open. Pretty good car, very well detailed, nothing to complain here. Casting is very well done. The wheels, the small wheels, pretty beautifully made actually. And I think this is a new casting that was released, and again, beautifully made car, very nice car. We'll keep that here. Move this one here. Now moving on to the next car. So the next car in this set is the 66 Chevy Nova. Now I don't know if you guys know where this car was. So it does say Fast 5. Now what I want you guys to do is pause the video here, go down to the comment section and tell me where this car was and who drove this car, so that I just want to see how much you guys know about this car. I'm happy that this car is released, but let me know where this was and who drove this car. I'll wait for a second. Okay, now this car was in Fast 5, yes. This car was not even shown completely in the movie. It did not even have more than, I think, 2 or 3 seconds of screen time. All you could see in the movie was from here till here. They did not show the entire car itself. This was when they go to find new cars in that race in Brazil. That's where this car was. This car was parked right next to Dom when he pulls up in his Charger, and they showed only till here. The entire car was not shown, but somehow still made it into the set, and I'm happy this made it into the set because Chevy Nova is very good looking car. Again, very well detailed. The color is very nice. I think it has that goldish color, very beautiful. The side line, the pinstripe on the side is very beautifully made. The car has that 5-spoke deep dish wheel, suits it very well. The stands, it has a raked stance. The rear is little raised. Beautiful car, beautiful muscle car. Okay, now let's move on to, I'll keep the car that I actually like in the set in the last. So now let's move on to the Gran Torino Sport. Now this car was in Fast and Furious 4. I think the villain, that Mohawk guy, he drove this car. I like Ford Torinos. They're very nice castings from Hot Wheels. Now if you see, I have a mainline version of this too. So this was released in the 5-pack. I'll put this in the turntable. This was released in the 5-pack, and if you see, I think there were 2 more releases before this. I'm not sure, I don't have those releases. The only difference was the color was a little different. They had different wheels, and I think some of them have the tint on the glass is little different. So this one has a darker tint. That's the only difference in this particular car. But again, this casting is very beautiful. Let's open this and take a look at this car. So Again, very beautifully made. I don't see much difference between the main line and this one. Okay, the tail light is not done. Other than that, even the color looks very similar. The interiors also are exactly same. There's no difference. Yeah, there's not much difference except that the front headlights are done and the tail lights are done, and it just gets a metal base and rubber wheels. Other than that, I don't see any difference here. Very beautiful casting and very happy to add that into the collection. Now moving on to the next one, the 61 Impala. So this was in the 8th movie, I guess, The Fate and the Furious. The opening of the movie had this car where Dom rode this car and came. Now there were 2 other releases which were done before the premium. Now if you see, this is one of the releases, and there was one more 5-pack version of this. Now the 5-pack version, I did sell it off. I did not want it. There's a reason why I kept this one and not the 5-pack one. So this was from the Walmart exclusive. Now if you see closely, the 5-pack version had the same wheels as the mainline Torino that I just showed. It had the same wheels, and also there was another difference there. The interiors on the 5-pack was black, it was not white, whereas this one has the white interiors. Very nice. So that's the reason why I kept this. One thing, it's rare. It did not come to India. I wouldn't say it's rare, it did not come to India. And the interiors and the 5-spoke wheels are different. That's the reason why I kept this. And now if you see the premium, you can see the front is completely detailed. It has the Chevy logo in the front, beautifully made. The interior is black on this, has the 5-spoke rims. The tail light is also very well detailed. Beautiful car. And the pinstripe in the side looks beautiful. Now tell me in the comment section, do you like the white interiors or the black interiors? I'll keep the Walmart exclusive and the premium together, and you can tell me which looks better. The only difference here is the color shade does look a little different. The premium has a darker color shade. Yeah, little differences there, you can see here. But again, beautifully made car. We'll keep the 87 Buick Grand National, and I don't know which is the more sought after car in the set. I think this one, the Ford F-150 is, but even this, according to me, is beautifully made. The stance, they got the stance perfectly right on this car. This also was released previously with the same mix that this Impala came with. Now let me show that. Now this is the Grand National that came in the Walmart exclusive set. Now here the engine bay can be opened, so it came like this, so the hood can be put back. I don't know why that is, but this yeah, when I got this also, I was not a big fan of the way this looked. Yeah, so when it was released, when I got it in hand also, I did buy this for this one and the Monte Carlo especially. So I was not a big fan of the way this looked. I felt this was too boxy, and this is not how the actual car in the movie or the real car in real life looked like. Now here, if you see, the stands are perfect. This looks like the car that Dom drove in Fast and Furious, the 4th movie, when he's trying to rip off the petrol tanks. The detailing on this is very good. And this, now let's open this one. Difference between these two, my god, that's a lot of difference. Let me just put both of them together on the turntable. You can take a look at what I mean. The stance, the detailing, the wheels look so tiny on the mainline version, the Walmart exclusive version. The windows are very small. It just did not look like a Grand National at all. But now when you look at this car, the premium version, I think Hot Wheels just outdid them again on this casting. Beautiful casting. It gets full detailing, front, back, even the number plates are detailed. The wheels look pretty good. I don't think I've seen those wheels on any other main lines. I might have on the premiums. I might have to check and see. This does not get the opening hood. I'm glad it does not get that, because I think the stands would change if they make that, I feel. But again, very nicely made car. Very well detailed. Yes. So I did get another set too. We'll make another video. So now if you want to buy these cars, go to Cars and Dolls. It is available there now and you can buy it from there. Thank you, Harsh, for the free cars. If you guys want it, go ahead, buy it from Cars and Dolls. The shipping is quick and they're beautiful castings. The only thing that I can tell is they're beautiful castings. The previous was all JDM. Now here it's all muscle cars. The American muscles are here. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked the comparison here. And if you liked it, please do like the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe and come back for the next video. Have a great day ahead. Bye.